Let's talk about the next question. The next question is, which one of the following states of India does not have a state legislative council? So it is talking about the state legislative council. So far, even though the Constitution seventh amendment, that is 1956, provided for it. Options are Maharashtra, Bihar, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer to this question will be Madhya Pradesh. Now, as we know that the Indian Constitution is a federal. Indian polity is a federal polity. Indian polity is a federal polity because we have distribution of power. We have federal polity at the central. Our constitution is federal, so federal polity. Indian polity is a federal polity because we have dual government or decentralization of power, distribution of power, separation of power. So distribution of power in the form of free list, separation of power in the form of legislature. So legislature will have only formulate laws, legislature, executive and judiciary. And we have also distribution of power and separation of power. And we have federal polity because we have union at the central level and states at the state level. Union government at the central level, state government at the state level. So having a federal polity, we have a federal polity. Apart from this, there is one more thing that we have to remember, that India being a federal polity and having adopted cabinet system of governance, cabinet integration of both cabinet and presidential system. So cabinet system of government having both nominal and real executive, nominal and real executive. So India is nominal and real both, nominal executive also, real executive also. President is the nominal head and prime minister is the real head. So president and prime minister. So these things are some extra information. Now let's talk about India being a federal polity. India has separation of power. India has adhered, Indian Constitution adhere to the doctrine of separation of power. Separation of power in the form of legislature, executive and judiciary. So in India, the legislature is at the two level because India is a federal policy. So the legislature is at the two level. One at the union level. At the union level, we have parliament, and at the state level or provincial level, we have state legislatures. But the most important point that you have to remember is that at the both the levels, union and state level, our legislature is bicameral. It means it has two houses. Bicameral, it means it has two houses. So at both the levels, it is especially at the union level, it is bicameral because we have two houses, lower house and upper house. Lower house is the Lok Sabha and upper house is the Rajya Sabha, that is Council of State. But at the state level, states have been given independence. States have been given autonomy, that they can have single legislature or single house, legislature having single house, and they can have bicameral legislature also. So some of the states, most of the states have unicameral legislature. Most of the states have unicameral. That is, their legislature is made up of only one house, while some of the states have bicameral legislature also. Bicameral legislature. So the states such as Jammu and Kashmir, such as UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, these states have the bicameral legislature at the state level also, at the provincial level also. It means their state legislature is bicameral, comprising of one state legislative assembly and another state legislative council. So these are the states that have bicameral legislature. So, but there are some states that were provided by, but how can a state have a bicameral legislature? The state, if a state is unicameral legislature, unicameral, it means its state legislature is made up of only one house, unicameral, then it can pass a resolution in its assembly, and request the union government, union or the center, to provide it with a state legislative council also, upper house also, and union legislative council will accept, and the power to establish a legislative council can be granted to a state. And in the same way, we know that there was State Reorganization Commission 1956. When the states were reorganized based on linguistic and administrative convenience grounds, then Madhya Pradesh was also by the 7th Amendment, 7th Constitutional Amendment Act, 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956 was granted to have a bicameral legislature, bicameral legislature. But up to the present event, Madhya Pradesh has not established its state legislative council. So Madhya Pradesh, though it has been provided with a state legislative council by the 7th Constitutional Amendment in 1956 itself, at the time of state reorganization, on the recommendation of State Reorganization Commission, but it has not established its state legislative council so far. So now we are talking about this thing. But how, if government, if the union has power to create legislative councils through an amendment, or Parliament has power to create legislative councils. In the same way, Parliament has power to abolish a legislative council also. Abolish a legislative council in a state. Legislative council. So, for the abolishment of a legislative council, abolishing legislative councils in a state, council in a state. So, to abolish the legislative council in a state, the state should pass a resolution in its assembly, and request the Parliament that they don't want a legislative council. So in this manner, when the state passes a resolution and requests the Parliament to abolish its legislative council, such as recently Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also presented a resolution to abolish the legislative council in Andhra Pradesh, but we don't know what happened about that, so we will not talk about this. But yes, the state, by passing a resolution in its assembly, can request the Parliament to abolish the legislative council, and Parliament then, by an ordinary legislation, by a simple majority, Parliament is not bound to accept that decision of the state legislative council, legislative assembly, to abolish the state legislative council. But yes, if it accepts, then Parliament, by an ordinary legislation, that is by a simple majority, this is most important thing regarding prelims, that Parliament has power to abolish the legislative council by a simple majority, by an ordinary legislation. Ordinary legislation can pass a law and can abolish a state legislative council. So no constitutional amendment is required, or no no constitutional amendment is required and no special majority required, just ordinary, by the way of an ordinary majority or simple majority, state legislative council can be amended. So what we talked about? We talked that to create a legislative council, Parliament has power. Parliament has power to create a legislative council also, to create a state legislative council, and to abolish a legislative council. Abolish a state legislative council. So to create a state legislative council also, the state, by passing a resolution will request the Parliament, which by passing a law, by an act of Parliament, it can create a state legislative council. It can go ahead to the state, and that can create a state legislative council. So to abolish a legislative council, state legislative council also, the state will request the Parliament by passing a resolution. By the means of a resolution, will request the Parliament, which by the way of an ordinary legislation, that is by a simple majority, can abolish state legislative council. So these are the methods. It means to create a legislative council, we require a constitutional amendment. But to abolish a legislative council, Parliament has power to create also, but it requires constitutional amendment. While to create a legislative council, it does not require constitutional amendment. It does not require constitutional amendment. It can do just by an ordinary majority, ordinary legislation, by the way of simple majority. So to create a legislative council for a state will request. The request is not binding on the part of the Parliament, but Parliament, by passing a constitutional amendment act, can create a state legislative council. But to abolish a legislative council, Parliament can do. Parliament has power, but again the requesting state cannot. The request of the advice of the requesting state is not concerned. The state is not binding on the Parliament, but Parliament may accept, and by a simple majority, by the way of an ordinary legislation, can abolish a legislative council, state legislative council. So these are the things that we have to remember. We have to remember three things. First, at the union level, we have bicameral. Our Parliament is bicameral, comprising of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Though President is also an integral part of the Parliament, but the Parliament is mainly comprised of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are the two chambers of the Parliament. At the provincial level also, we have some of the states have bicameral, most of the states have unicameral legislature. The states that have unicameral legislature, only they have state legislative assemblies, but the states that have bicameral legislature, they have state legislative assemblies also, they have state legislative councils also. The members to state legislative assemblies are directly elected by the people, by their constituency, from their contesting constituencies, by the electors of their contesting constituency, while the members to state legislative councils are some of them are elected, some of them are nominated, some of them are indirectly elected, some of them are directly elected. So there is a different composition of the membership of the state legislative councils, but the state legislative councils are not available in all the states. There are only 6-7 states that have their state legislative council. This was all about that we have to know. So based on this discussion, we can say based on the discussion, we can say that the answer to this question will be Madhya Pradesh. It means Madhya Pradesh, though it has been provided by a legislative council, it has been given sanction to establish a legislative council by the way of 7th Constitutional Amendment Act, Act 1956, but it has not established a legislative